Hey everyone, this is Jared Alper, Good Party's political director, and I'm here today to talk about how to create a press release using AI Campaign Manager, Good Party's campaign management tool. Press releases being a really, really effective way to engage with journalists and encourage them to write stories about your campaign when you do something that is deserving of awareness. And so to access the AI Campaign Manager, you just go to goodparty.org and hit the yellow dashboard button in the top right corner. And from there, you can access all press releases and all the other content that we can use our AI to help you generate by hitting the new content button and going down to press release or whatever else it is that you might need to be writing. In this instance, I've already created one. You click on the press release, and as you'll see, the AI has created a really strong announcement that I would send to journalists in the event that I was running for city council in New York, where I'm from. And so this document, I would copy and paste it and put it into a Google Doc. And I have two versions here, one which is under embargo, the other which is for immediate release. And I'll explain exactly what that is in a moment. So first and foremost, you paste it into a document, you reformat it however you might like. You read through it, obviously, make sure that it hits the right tones, and as you'll see, even the AI will create quotes for you, so you want to make sure that it's in your voice and something you would really say. But it's a really strong, in my case, example of why I'm running and what office I'd be running for. And so I use two versions. I often encourage candidates to send press releases under embargo, and then at the time of release, send it under immediate release. What an under embargo notice means is essentially that anyone who receives the press release early, so the date of release would be September the 9th at 12 p.m. in 2023. You could send this days or even a week early, knowing that you have an announcement to make, but the journalists are bound to not actually write a story about it until the embargo is lifted. And the reason I would put something under embargo is that you could handpick a couple of people. Let's say you wanted to get, and I wanted to get, in my instance, the New York Times to cover my campaign, or a really large outlet that you're trying to kind of do the dance with. You could send this press release under embargo to them early, and it's a tactic that will hopefully encourage journalists, one, to potentially come to your event if you're hosting one, or reach out to you for a quote or comment as part of a story that they're writing. But it gives them advance notice to be able to write the story without having to, quickly drop what they're doing when you make news and write a story quickly. So you could do this for a select number of journalists. I would encourage you reach out to sort of your highest priority contacts or potentially friends. The rest can receive the press release under immediate release, which is something that you would send out at the moment that you're making news. And this is a strong tactic, right? This is an AI-generated press release that we encourage candidates to use whenever they have news that they're trying to share, whether it's an announcement or an achievement, an event that they're sharing, something that you think is deserving of being covered in the press. This is a really, really effective way of engaging and building a following among journalists and encouraging them to cover your campaign. So make sure to get into your AI Campaign Manager dashboard, take advantage of this tool along with all the other features that we have, and we'll see you on the campaign trail. Happy campaigning.